Do you control the airplane or does the airplane control you? Are you able to pilot it as easily as you drive your car? Do you want to perform turns once and for all without losing altitude? To navigate using ground references? To land with crosswind? And to be able to do a complete flight without using the autopilot? Do you want to fly in a flight simulator as a real pilot? With Video Flyrec Basic Training, you will learn all the theoretical concepts of flight and even the most useful tricks, as for example, when to start the descent. Marcos Arranz, real active ATP, used to be a flight instructor and is a great technical director of this video. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to learn how to fly once and for all with Video Flyrec Basic Training.